Climbing snowy peaks comes with its fair share of risks, but having the right gear is like having a safety net. The 13 coaches from the Xizang Mountaineering Guide School, with extensive climbing know-how, take charge of guiding amateur climbers. They showcase the skills, fine-tune gears, and throw hardcore training on the artificial rock walls at the training base, so as to get greenhorns mastering snow mountain skills in no time. Their current task involved escorting a group of climbers to the summit of Xizang Peak, towering at 6,206 meters above sea level. The peak, with its year-round snow and an average slope of 50 degrees, demands a hefty physical toll with each step forward. To guarantee sufficient time for both the ascent and descent, they kicked off their journey at the brisk hour of 2 a.m., headlamps barely pierced the darkness ahead. In clunky mountaineering boots, the team began to trudge forward. Dawn broke as the last members stumbled out of the treacherous boulder field, revealing a daunting sight, a 5,500-meter ice wall rising nearly vertically before them. They had to forcefully kick the front teeth of their crampons into the ice, inching their way up. With the unwavering support of the 13 coaches, all 33 team members conquered the summit of Xizang Peak. 6,206 meters may not mark the pinnacle of their lives, but this moment etched itself into the very core of their being.